Welcome to Spirit Shack. Just want to show you one of our products. So this is the RemPod Bear, which detects static electricity, which is something spirits are believed to give off. Yeah, so we manufacture this. Comes with a nice little tag on it. There isn't an on and off switch. We've kind of used this quick release 9-volt square battery holder. So basically if you put the battery in, it's on, and when you're finished with it, just take the battery out and it's off. So that's kind of how you use it. So basically, humans give off a little bit of a static electricity. So I can trigger this by touching it. And because spirits are made of electrical energy, if they touch it, obviously it'll trigger as well. So it's had a few upgrades, this. So we've got a new circuit in it. And instead of having one sensor on the back of the bear, we've now got 4 sensors, one in each paw. So if a spirit or a person touches any of the paws, it'll trigger, and then there's one light in each paw as well, so all 4 lights will go off, as well as quite a loud sound. So I'll just show you in operation. Alright, because that's holding it. Alright, so if I go near the paws, I'm not actually touching there, but I'll just grab one. Yeah, you can see all 4. I'll just show you that in the dark as well. Yeah, the lights in here are really bright, but yeah, when it's a little bit darker, I mean, it is really bright. They are bright. If you want one of these, I'll leave a link in the product description. Thanks for watching.